little quick video of our home decoration 72-inch indoor covered outdoor ceiling fan, the Kensgrove II, 6 feet diameter, 8 blades, to 10,000 cubic feet per minute, and high, and a measly 2,500 on low. It's got a pretty nice remote that will allow you to control fan speed and the light separately, or you can turn them all on and off. 6 speeds, which are indicated by the number of LEDs, and then it goes from a warm to cool. You can also do that feature where you go the fan alternates from high to low, and reversible direction and a timer. We set it under a 10 by 20 covered patio. So here is the beast itself. So we're gonna turn it on here so you can see, and I'll turn the light off. And this is currently set on 1, and if you watch as I bring the speed up, it's on 6 right now, sorry. So as I drop it down, the LEDs will change. A little hard to see with the camera, but that's on slow. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 LEDs. And it doesn't spin as fast as a bigger fan, but that's because it's got 6 feet of blades. And definitely kicks up a breeze here, so in the summertime when we're sitting out here, it'll be nice and breezy. And drop that back down to 1. And then with the light, you also have the ability to dim it, and it's a press and hold. It will actually get pretty dim. It's not a quick feature. You can see on camera that it's getting pretty dim. And then you can change the temperature, or what they call the color. And I'm going to bring it back up brighter so it's a more visual effect. So color change right here. So that is warm, and then it gets a little brighter, a little brighter, a little brighter, a little brighter, and then back down. So it's a cycle. Four temperatures. I think the last one is what we would call daylight. And like I say, it works pretty good. And I don't know if you'll be able to hear anything, but definitely when you kick it up to 6, it gets going pretty good. If I had any hair, it would be blowing in the breeze right now. But considering this is our first day, pretty excited about it. I will slow it and I will stop it so you get an idea of what the blades look like. They're a little more curved than smaller fans, where normally it's flat but at an angle. This actually kind of has an aerodynamic wing profile to it once it slows down. Pretty nice. This is a gold colored metal, and let's see if I can get a stop on this. There you go. So there's the profile of the blade, and it is reversible, so then it would just be going the other way. It would just ramp up. Very well balanced. Like I say, for what it is so far, very pleased.